Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's Tyler here with my journey to financial freedom. And before we get into the video, a little disclaimer: I'm not a financial expert, and the stock market is very risky. Stocks and options may fluctuate, and you could lose more than your original investment. So, with that said, just be smart with your money, and don't take this as a recommendation on what you should do with your money, but just me just showing you exactly what I'm doing with it and how I'm investing it. Alright, this is the part of the video where I'm asking you to hit that like button and also subscribe. And if you want to be a part of the Noti gang, you can go and hit that bell as well. Down below somewhere here, I'm going to leave a link to my Instagram. On this Instagram, I'll be posting, just different posts about different options and stuff like that that are going to be a hot topic and something that you can keep on a watch list. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this video. The stock we're going to talk about today is going to be Nordic American Tankers. So as you can see here, I purchased 100 shares, and this was just on Friday at $5.95 a share. Current equities at $622 with a net positive of $27. The reason why I see this, this stock going up in the future, my personal opinion, is because the all-time demand for oil is at a low. And the price per barrel is at a low. And a couple days ago, you saw that actually went negative. And we're in a really weird place for oil right now. So I took a little bit of risk, and I put some of my money on these tankers. And year to date, right now, last year, Nordic American Tankers is actually projected to increase its revenue by 65%, which was like $88.5 million, which isn't astronomical. It wasn't a lot, but for this tanker it is. So personally, I do see the price per share for NAT going up in the future. How long it might take, I don't know. Personally, I'm gonna hold on to this for a couple weeks and see how long this uptrend for NAT will go. But like I said earlier, this is not me telling you, that you should invest into it. This is me just documenting what I'm doing. So please take that to heart and invest your money wisely. If you're going to do your own due diligence and your own research. All right, we have made it to that part of the video. Thank you for watching it and making it all the way through. I love you, and thanks for all the support. I'm gonna ask you one more time if you guys can just hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. So thanks for watching, and catch you guys next time. Peace.